Hey concrete fans, Mr. Concrete here with 13 kilos of gray matter, which means I need 1.3 liters of water. And then I just start mixing it in. Thank you for joining me today, tonight, whenever. Thank you for joining me whenever you're joining me. Thank you. Oh. That feels great. Oh, that's wonderful. Tonight, I'm trying out a new lighting rig. Let me know what you think. Oh, that's magic. A really, really great batch of gray matter. Should feel like it should feel like dough. We're there. We're almost there. A little further. That's great. I like to mix by hand because I know I can feel for lumps. Lump was limp and lonely and needed a shove. And I can break them up. My main goal in the mixing stage is just to get everything hydrated. And so I want to add just enough water so that all my components become hydrated. But if you add too much water, all the different components that make up your mix will start to fall out of suspension in order of density, and that sucks. So be careful. That's perfect. My hands sink in, but it doesn't really stick to my hands. Magic. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Oh. That's wonderful. Perfect batch of gray matter. Live it up.